Hey everybody, it's Scott with Sustainable Building Solutions. I'm on location here in sunny San Diego, working on a new project. This thing is going to be awesome. This is Jason, also with Sustainable Building Solutions. How's it going, Jason?
Hey Scott, how you doing?
I see you're hard at work there as usual.
Yes, we are, Scott. We are building a YardDen, which is a Sustainable Building Solutions coin phrase for a den for your yard.
Fantastic.
This is a custom build for a client who decided to do a small yard den in his backyard, and this one is actually 8x8.
Perfect. So obviously there's a lot of uses for something like this, but tell me, obviously that we've got a lot of people who are kind of interested in putting something like this in their backyard. So I'm noticing that I don't see any wood here. So tell us about what this build type looks like and what you're standing inside of right now.
Well, Scott, all of our builds at Sustainable Building Solutions utilize a EPS foam core with a GFRC proprietary blend that will encapsulate the EPS.
Awesome. Okay. So a lot of people, right now there's a huge business for ADUs, right? A lot of companies making ADUs, whether it's stick built on site. Of course, now we've got huge manufacturing facilities that are in the process of starting to, spit out prefab products that are just kind of built and put together on site. Why would somebody choose this type of EPS foam build structure versus something else that's maybe a little bit more typical out there?
Scott, that's a very good question. And for those out there who don't understand why we use EPS, first of all, this has an R value of 35, and that R value could increase based on the thickness of the walls. It's termite and pest resistant. This is sustainable. This whole thing is 100% recyclable. It's hurricane tested to 244 miles per hour, and it is fire resistant to 2,000 degrees.
Awesome. Yeah, definitely a lot of good qualities that are very, very unique to this build process, and we've seen, problematic with other types of builds. So obviously this right here is a custom project that we're doing. You mentioned a YardDen, so this is going to be something that, somebody's going to be putting in their backyard.
Correct.
We're going to match the fit and finish to their existing house. Obviously, we're going to be putting a roof on here. But for people out there, how much variance can people do? What type of changes can they make to make it fit their use, but also kind of the look, the fit, the finish, the feel that they're looking for?
Well, Scott, this is very unique, and it's pretty awesome because the options as far as finishes, interior and exterior, are endless. We can stucco the outside, we can put brick, we can put any type of finishes, we can match the existing building that you have or home to create the YardDen with the same type of roof,
Absolutely.
Same type of structure, same type of look and colors.
And on this one you mentioned, this is going to be 64 square feet, but obviously people can come in and take any type of configuration, right? So we could do something that's 600 feet, 740, 1,000 feet. ADUs are kind of our more common detached ADUs, but pretty much anything, right? We can customize this for any type of fill.
Scott, we can customize this to fit your needs and to fit your dreams. If your wife wants a she shed in the backyard with a bathroom, a shower, she wants an area where she can do her yoga, or an area where she puts her crafts and sewing and so forth, we can design this to any option, any need, any finishes. The beauty about this is there will be a 72 by 80 sliding door here, and there will be a 36 by 36 window here.
And completely customizable, right? So somebody can take a different type of
like I said, to fit your needs.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Jason. Look forward to seeing how the progress comes along here. Anybody who's watching this, if you have any questions on this or maybe a project you're looking to take on, feel free to send us a message. We'll talk to you later.